So this is part 3 of this series of getting our house ready to put on Airbnb while we're on vacation. Okay guys, the yard project is done for now, the porch project is done for now, and it is time to do some serious deep cleaning top to bottom of our house and packing along the way to get ready for this Airbnb. So today is go time. They're coming tomorrow at noon, so I've got this afternoon. It is about 2:40 in the afternoon, so I've got this afternoon and evening and a little bit tomorrow morning to get this place ship-shape and ready to go. So let's get into it. So the first thing I really wanted to clean was our living room floor because Sirius, our dog, hates to go outside to go potty when it's raining. So I did some research on how to remove pee smell from floors, and apparently wiping it down with vinegar is the best way. And I can tell you that this actually does work. We just had to move all the furniture and the rugs out of the rooms and then wipe them all down with vinegar. As you can tell from the outfit changes, I did try to start cleaning a couple days ahead of time, but when you have kids and a dog running around, trying to clean while they're still there is kind of pointless. So my mother-in-law took the boys, and that allowed me to have some time to actually get our place all clean and ready for our Airbnb guests. So not only did I have to get our house perfectly clean for our Airbnb guests, I also had to pack for a 10-day vacation, which was a little bit stressful.
We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze.
Well, guys, I'm moving backwards because I just knocked over my Papa's plant and got dirt everywhere.
Disregard the thought of ever having to part, for summer is for falling in love. Lightness of being, we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember fact that summer is for falling in love. Da dun da dun day. Summer is for falling in love.
Okay, check-in time. I'm charging my phone, which is why it's in this weird, at this weird angle in this corner and weird light reflections. Anyway, it's 5:18 now, and I have cleaned upstairs, the laundry room, the boys' room, and the guest room, the hallway, the bathroom. But I still need to finish vacuuming and mopping up there, and then I'm gonna save my bedroom, the master bedroom, for tomorrow morning, so it will be like the last thing we clean right before we leave. And then I still have all of downstairs to do. Brian was supposed to come home at 4 to start helping me, and like I said, it's 5:18 and he's not left work yet. So I'm losing steam. I'm really hungry. I gotta keep going. Don't want to clean all night. I'm gonna find a snack and then let my phone charge for another minute and get back to it.
I've been to the top of Mount Everest. I've sailed the 7 seas. I've shared the stage with all the best. Lot of good it did for me. I've walked the wall of China. Walked till my feet were sore. Came home to Carolina and found my love next door. Well, what do you know? I didn't have to travel the world. Yeah, what do you know? To find a brown-eyed man for a blue-eyed girl. What do you know? Somehow all that I've been longing for was found right here next door to me. Well, what do you know? I didn't have to travel the world. Yeah, what do you know? To find a brown-eyed man for a blue-eyed girl. What do you know? Somehow all that I've been longing for was found right here next door to me. I rode that Trans-Siberian, been shipwrecked and watched the shore. Got travel story Shakespearean, still I found my love next door. Well, what do you know? Oh, I didn't have to travel the world. Yeah, what do you know? To find a brown-eyed man for a blue-eyed girl.
Okay, so here's the kitchen. Had some birthday cake. We're gonna finish off tonight. And possibly these chips. We'll throw them away. These 2 towels are out, so we remembered to just use those 2 and then put them in the laundry. This is all clean. I gotta run those tonight and put them away in the morning. Otherwise, this is looking good to go. Also, check out how empty our fridge is. Just have a little bit of leftovers here to finish off tomorrow. And I think those 2 will finish off tonight for sure. I'm gonna leave them as sausage and the sparkling lemonade probably, since it's still sealed. And then I'm gonna leave my condiments. But I think most of the rest we'll be able to finish off. Brian's desk is actually all clean. It's just mine that I need to work on.
I tried to write you a song that no one's ever heard before.
It is 9 o'clock. Now, all that I've left is putting away stuff. All the stuff I forgot about on the dining room table. And packing.
All these words, they've been oversung. All the ways to say that you are mine. But the moment that our eyes aligned, I'll remember for a long, long time. Oh,
Are you think serious? I'm excited to go to the doggy hotel.
Doggy heaven, is that what you said?
No! This is the situation. And it's not good. Today is the day. Friends running the last of the laundry. I'm washing the last of our dishes for breakfast. I'm gonna take Sirius to the boarding place. We're almost there.
Lines around your eyes. Our love is typical. Our love is typical. Our love is typical.
Would we ever put our house on Airbnb again? The jury is still out on that. It was very stressful, but the money was also maybe worth it. Would you ever put your house on Airbnb? Leave a comment down below and let me know.
Our love is typical. Our love is typical. I tried to write you a song that no one's ever heard before. Wrote lines and words of our love, but somehow it needed more. Oh, maybe
It's 11:48. We are out. We definitely cut it close, but I did have time to do a walkthrough of the whole house, kind of like a house tour. I think this video has gotten a little bit too long to include all of it. If you're interested in seeing that, leave a comment down below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching.